Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we are going to see how to add others calendar in your Outlook and how you can share your Outlook with others. So first of all, let's navigate to Outlook. Okay, let's and we are using Outlook on the web right now. Okay, to create calendars and sharing it. So in the Outlook, let's click on calendars on the left hand side. Okay, so this is my calendar. Okay, as you can see, it says calendar. I want that this calendar, as of now, this is completely blank, but we will add a meeting once the calendar is being shared. So first of all, I want that this calendar and I want that this calendar should be shared with some people. Like I want to share with Elena Shepherd. There is one user, Elena Shepherd. I want to share the calendar with her. Okay, and I want that she can view all the details and everything. Even if she likes, she can edit it. So I can give edit permission, or else I can just leave it like this. See all details. Okay, and I'll just click on share. Okay, so now the calendar is shared with Elena. I'll just go to Elena's account. So this is Alina's account, and now you can see that this user has received one email which says, I like to share my calendar, and it's been sent by Rahul Baghel. Okay, now let's look into the Outlook for this user first. Okay, as you can see, there is nothing here. Let's click on show all. Okay, as of now, under my calendars, there is nothing else. There is one group calendar which is test DLEDM, but nothing is there. Okay, related to my calendar. Okay, now I'll just go to inbox once again. I will click on I like to share my calendar with you. Okay, and I will accept. So now it says that it is adding calendar to my calendar. Okay, I'll just click on view calendar. Okay, let's see what is the difference now. Okay, I come up here. Okay, now you can see that there is one more calendar showing up, which is people's calendar, and Rahul's Bagel calendar is showing up there. So I will just click here. Okay, and Rahul Bagel's calendar will start to show up. Okay, now what I want that as of now there is nothing here, nothing is being added, so that is why nothing is showing up here. But let me go back to my main account, and this is here. Okay, this is my main account, Rahul Bagel, and let me add something here. Let's add to 12. Okay, Wednesday, and give it some random name. Let's give it meeting. Oh, sorry, it's not random. Let's select meeting. Okay, I will just keep everything like this, and I will click on save. All right, so meeting is saved for 12th Wednesday. Okay, now I'll just go to the shared calendar. Right now you can see that it is working on real time, and this is Alina's account. Okay, this is not mine, this is Alina's account. And you can see that the event is showing up on 12th, and it's showing the correct timing. Okay, whatever I set. But remember guys, if the user in a different time zone than yours, then there could be some differences between the time. So the calendar events you are seeing on your Outlook, it will be taking the time of your zone, the zone which you have selected. However, it is possible that the other user could be sitting in a different zone and set up the calendar on his or her time zone. So there could be difference between the time zones if you are in different living in different countries. Okay, now this is one way that if someone has shared the calendar with you. Now let's look into other way. If there is one person and working in your organization and you want to access the user's calendar, so how you can do that? So let's come up here, add calendar. Okay, and again this is Alina's account. I will click on add calendar. Okay, and let's click on add from directory. Okay, now I want that Alina Shepherd account. Okay, I will search Skelly. Okay, there is one user which is Skelly Shepherd. This is one other test user, and I want that this should be added to my calendar. Okay, I will just click on add. So the moment I click on add, this Skelly's account calendar will be added to my calendars. So I just close this. Okay, let's go back. Now you can see that on the left hand side, under the calendar, I mean, just next to calendar, I have one more name showing up here which says Skelly Shepherd. So this is Skelly Shepherd's account. Okay, this is Skelly Shepherd calendar. I'll just show it once again. Okay, I'll click on show all and Skelly Shepherd, right? Let's unselect this one, Truffles, and Skelly Shepherd account calendar is showing up here. And let's go back to Skelly calendar now, and let's create one um, event here, and let's see how it works. Okay, this is Skelly Shepherd. The account is already open. Okay, this is Skelly Shepherd calendar. Okay, now I'll just add one event here. Let's okay, Skelly Shepherd event, and for testing purposes, I'll just click on just save. Okay, the event is saved. Now let's go back to Elena's account, right? And let's see. I have just scrolled it down and I could see the calendar events are there, but it says busy and busy. So it means that we have added the calendar, but it is just showing us the times whenever the event is set up. Okay, so but anyway, now you are done with adding the calendar, and now you can know that what time the user is available for a call or for a quick meeting. So you can set up the invite as per the availability of the user. Okay, and this is it for today's session. Okay, this is how you can add others' calendar and how you can share your calendar with others. And if in case you still have any doubts, so do let me know your doubts in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy learning. Goodbye.